LiFePO4 batteries are a new type of lithium-ion battery that offers advantages such as high energy density, long lifespan, and lower environmental impact. Charging LiFePO4 batteries to 100% may cause overcharging, which increases the temperature and stress of the battery, thus shortening the battery life. In addition, overcharging may also bring safety risks such as overheating, leakage, and even explosion. How to use LiFePO4 batteries correctly? Here are some suggestions. Avoid overcharging. The optimal charging level for LiFePO4 batteries is between 80% and 90%. This balance between available energy and lifespan is recommended for daily use. Therefore, it is advisable to charge the battery to around 80% to 90% in regular usage. Periodic deep charging. While frequent charging to 100% is not recommended, periodic deep charging is beneficial. Deep charging helps calibrate the battery's charge level display and improves its performance. Avoid overdischarging. Similar to overcharging, overdischarging also has a negative impact on battery lifespan. Therefore, it is recommended to recharge the battery promptly when its charge level drops below 20% to avoid overdischarging. In conclusion, while charging LiFePO4 batteries to 100% may provide more available energy, it can have negative effects on battery lifespan and safety. Therefore, we recommend charging the battery to around 80% to 90% and periodically performing deep charging to balance performance and lifespan. That's all for today.